This wouldn't be possible without you guys. And of course, sa mga sumusuporta sa amin. Talagang naging suporta lahat. And I can't believe na from, yung age, may bata, meron na rin mga beautiful na mga, alam mo na, darating din tayo sa ganong edad. Wala naman akong sinasabi. Kaya relasyon yan. Hindi, wala. Wala akong gusto, alam mo yun.
Wala, lahat Gen Z, tama? Lahat ay Gen Z, tama? Mag-ingay ang mga Gen Z! Perfect! Walang nanay dito.
Hindi pa si Jack.
Ha?
So,
Yeah.
no.
It's your imagination.
What I was trying to say is, di ako makapaniwala na lahat ng edad, nai-enjoy niyo yung music namin. No! Sobrang na-appreciate niyo yung music namin. Before, there were only like 30 people, 10, 20 people na nanonood sa amin. And hindi namin sila nakalimutan. And now, sobrang dami na ninyo ngayon. And hopefully, gaya ng sabi ni Pablo, hopefully, sa next balik namin dito, bigger venue na. Of course, nabigyan din natin yung chance, yung mga 18 na hindi rin nakabili ng ticket. Pasensya na guys, nagtatagalog ako kasi medyo expire na ata.
Jet lag.
We just want to say that we love you guys so much. And talagang tinitreasure namin yung every moment, every second na nandito kami ngayon kasi it's not every day that an artist mabigyan ng opportunity to be here. Hindi mo nagigas, gusto mag-English ako? Okay. Sensya na. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat and mahal na mahal namin kayo. Itigil ko na kasi ang haba eh.
Okay lang
Sensya
yan.
na.
Kahit magsalita ka buong araw, okay lang yun sa inyo.
Okay na.
Okay ka na.
Okay, baka meron mga English dito eh. Yeah.
Is it hard for you to speak English?
Oh, yeah. It's very hard.
Same.
Yeah, same.
Guys, even though we're here in Los Angeles, we are on track. We never lost.
Ano ba?
We are never.
You never lose! Is that what you said, Elvis?
We are always on track. So we never lost. We are never.
Ay, oo, basta yun. Ayun. Galing.
Change the joke. Erase, forget what I said, okay? You know what? Here in Los Angeles, everything is right. Because we follow the laws. Yes.
Teka, slow ba ako?
See, you're lost. You are lost in my joke. But,
Okay na to.
Okay na ito.
this is... But, I just want to say I love you guys. I hope you understand me. Because I am lost. Thank you. Yeah. that's it.
But regardless of the venue, expect the best from SB19. So, last time we also performed here in the same venue, but since we're going to perform here at the same venue, we try to up the production. We have dancers now, get better lights, because you deserve the best. So thank you so much, and we hope that when we hold a new concert in a bigger stage, bring your friends, bring your families. Was that it?
Coachella, bago, Coach Stell, Coach Pablo, Coachella.
Guys, do you want to do the Blue Ocean Wave? Do you guys want to do it? Put your light stick up. Okay.
Parang plankton eh.
Wow. I love the view.
And I love you.
Can you raise your light sticks? Okay, can we do the blue ocean wave? Okay, let's start from here, going back. Is that okay, guys? Okay. Okay, put down your light sticks. And when we count to 3, throw it at there. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go! Woo! Back, 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 back. Back. One more time, going back. And front, front, front. Wow, thank you so much, LA18. Thank you so much for doing that. And because of that, we have that.
We have that. No, seriously, we're very thankful to have you guys again here. I know it's kind of, I feel like the venue is a little bit, yeah, too small for us, for everyone. But I know that next time that we'll be here, you guys are gonna watch. Is that correct? Are you guys gonna watch us again? Yeah, I'm assuming. I'm just assuming because it's one of the fastest, this fastest stops that have been sold out. And we are looking forward to going back again here, maybe in a few months. Maybe. Or maybe next year. I hope to see all the familiar faces again. Pero yun, ang ubus na kasi yung English namin dito, mga reba. Pwede mo mag-Tagalog na. Puyat na puyat kami pero gusto ko na magpasalamat sa inyong lahat. Sobrang nakakatuwa po sa mga fan projects na ginawa nyo from the very beginning. Yes, of course, every fan project that you did, we felt all the, syempre, the efforts that you've done for it. And, ayun po, gusto lang namin, syempre, cherish yung moment. And, siguro for us, we want to come back here stronger. And we want a bigger, maybe an arena. So we want to make history next time. I hope to see you all again next time. Promise?
And because of that, Josh, there's one more thing that we want to say to everyone. 18, SLMT. Thank you, 18.